Alright, round of Dabbit here, double box opening. Sorry, let's go. Yay. Yeah, go.
I pull secret first.
Alright, just to check, everyone who is playing is registered at this point.
That's nice.
Ah, damn it.
Variants. Oh wait, put it here, put it here.
Put the hollows.
Put the hollow.
Shit about you.
I love you too.
I don't care about what's your laundry.
I have all these things at home already. Like for real.
Privacy.
Fuck!
Oh no, this ghetto secret.
I have 2 now.
That
God.
sucks horribly. Oh, that's cool.
I'll tell you for Coyote too.
Oh, I thought I was like, Dracossack.
Tachyon.
Watch me not even pull a
Tachyon.
secret.
First, they pulled a food cake. Yuki here.
I only got my ultra so far.
I got my ulti.
Ah, damn it. Cardinal.
It's not bad.
None of us pulled Dracossack. But when you leave here today, bring it to my store. Secret number 2?
Yeah, that 5 secret. 5 secret like I did last time.
You have a chance.
5 secrets.
You have a good chance.
That's what I did last time. I've not pulled one big elemental strike. You've got straight.
I don't care about small ones anymore. I have plenty of small ones. I got 7 boxes, sir. Really? Really, 7 boxes. Did I need the rest of this? No.
And number 69. You have to keep out number 69.
Ghetto
like
support.
shit.
I know.
You have to play the stupid ghetto Giugiano shit.
That's mine. Keep mine and his separate.
What am I missing?
Title.
He finally got
Title.
I have like 20 titles. Like for real.
You guys pulled the secret yet?
Yeah. I pulled Coyote.
I got
Coyote and Cardinal.
I know we both got the fire fist.
Firefist Brothers.
The box that I pulled my Dracossack at, I
Blaster!
also pulled my Coyote.
Swag.
I get a Dracossack somewhere.
I got
I
black.
hope. Stop pushing it.
I got one other thing.
Oh,
Variant
God.
Sports 2.
Yeah, Baron Force
Let's
Brother.
go.
I need
Ew.
my ulti. Shit!
TFU. I pull really fast.
Maybe that's not.
Noble Arms of Destiny. Crap.
Shit.
Alright, everyone, I have your pairings.
God damn it.
Oh shit. Let's go. Go, 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 go.
It's not on purpose.
Yes,
Yes, it is. Stop lying.
Me? Rudy, come on, give me a break.
What? Get my playmat.
It's a mirror duel.
Rudy, it's a break. Give me a
Mega
break.
Factor.
Give me a break, bro.
Did you guys open anything relevant?
Shit.
Kinda. No.
No, they got the, like,
We got the really bad secrets.
yeah.
What?
What's happening? My Cardinal's better than his.
Destiny?
That's true.
Oh, Mega Factor.
I got Mega Raptor.
Mega Factor.
It's a family store.
Yeah, Aaron. Not me. Shit. Oh, Aaron.
I finished.
Alright, this guy.
Godspeed.
Stellar Omega.
Oh, I want that. I want that.
I have that too.
Ulti Omega, Mega Factor,
one for me.
Goku Cardinal,
He's not
Yu-Gi
done
Gear, Variants Choice,
How much?
Cestus, whatever, Destiny, Mega Raptor.
We're
We have like 2 more packs left. Guava Child, Tachyon,
Tempest. I got 2 big dragons over
Are you
here.
playing today?
Coyote,
Which ones?
Cestus, Varian, and Mega Factor, and last pack.
This stuff away.
Give me.
Pull that Dracossack.
Nope.
Just dump this in there.
Not bad. Alright, yeah, and then Ghost Fairy. So, thank you guys for watching. Rate, comment, like, subscribe, whatever. Shut up. Peace.